Here's how you can get apostille for a birth certificate in New York. Before you can get an apostille, you need to have a certified copy of the birth certificate. If the birth certificate is from New York City, you can get it from the NYC Department of Health and Mental Hygiene. Just make sure you also ask for a letter of exemplification when ordering it. That letter is required for the apostille process. If the certificate is from outside the city, but within New York State, you can order it from the New York State Department of Health. Once you have the document, the next step is to get it certified properly. For city-issued certificates, you'll need to take it to the county clerk's office for certification. But if the certificate came directly from the New York State Department of Health and it has the signature of the Director of Vital Statistics or the state registrar, you don't need to go to the county clerk at all. That version is already valid for apostille. Now you're ready to send it for the apostille itself. You'll need to mail the document to the New York State Department of State along with a $10 fee per document. You can pay by check or money order. If you want the document returned quickly, you can include a prepaid envelope from UPS or FedEx. Just make sure you don't send a label that bills your account. Prepaid only. That's it. Just wait for it to come back with the apostille and you're done.